Hello everybody, it's official Super Mario Kid Mini Build Series 4 character pack. Roll the music. Boy.
Mario, 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 Mario. It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Dad, got one up.
Yeah, you did.
Hello everybody, it's official Super Mario Hour. Mario Kid, I don't know what it is. Oh, Mario Kid Mini Build Series 4 character pack. And can't make you keep eating my green beans. Bowser and Bowser Jr. Okay. I was looking at the pyramid but earlier. Watched redo the build, but I decided to do this. Okay. Okay. Hi. Oh, we got a new one! Yes! 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 Okay, so it looks like we have the Ant Trooper! The Ant Trooper! This is the one I need. The Ant Trooper. It's a nice little character. There's the Ant Trooper. There's the Ant Trooper. I don't need the scissors. Let's construct the Ant Trooper. Why does it say on bag 8? I can't even see it that good, but it did say bag 8. I need the scissors. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Before anything else happens. Let's construct. Super Mario World in a castle. Music styling going on. I moved Dory's beach one upstairs. Didn't go very well up there. Oh, what? I think they're actually like this. I have to change them like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, and there. Okay. Oh, the wrong piece. Okay. Okay. What is that? Super Paper Mario. This one's Super Paper Mario. I just looked at it and it said Super Paper Mario. I like the Super Paper Mario music. When we play it on Official Mario Gaming, you're really gonna love it. Because you already know how it goes, even though we haven't played it yet. This music. If you haven't played Paper Mario Color Splash, go play it and get very good at it. Because it's the funnest game. Or Dr. Mario, because Dad told me this yesterday. Dr. Mario will make you very smart if you get good at it. Okay. Okay, boom. Got it. Uh-oh. 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 I don't know how to do that. Here's the Ant Trooper. Look at these eyes for the Ant Trooper. And the mouth. Look at this head for the Ant Trooper. Boom, 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 boom. You couldn't get this guy in Super Mario 3D World. You couldn't get him. You were never able to get the Ant Trooper in that game. Oh, no, I can tear him. I'm gonna tear the pieces up. Shirley. Shirley! I'm calling you Shirley. Oh. That's that quick already. Those 2 pieces go up here. Boom. And another. Oh, man. The scanner goes on the side. The scanner will go on the side here. I gotta keep these guys connected so I don't have to connect them again. When what's an ant trooper? Okay, let's keep doing it. Oh, but I don't. This can't be the ant trooper that quick because he needs these. Dad, we're making 2 of these. Just pop these on the top. Just pop that on the top of that. I'm done with mine. See? Look, I'm done. Look, I'm done, son. Oh, look, they go there. They go on the tap. They go on the... Okay. The piece is safe. Oh, what do you think these are? What do you think these are that I'm putting on them? Something. That's all I can guess. Maybe these punchers. Well, ants don't have arms. Again! Oh, we don't need that piece. I think that's it for the ant trooper. Unless there's one more piece. There's no more purple pieces! Wait. Okay, we're fine. I'm fine. Da, da, da. Dun, dun, dun. So, we're done with the ant trooper. Woohoo! So here's what the ant trooper looks like. Like it that good? There it is. The skin on the scan coat on the side. You can't get an ant trooper in the game. That means you're never gonna get any Lego. Okay, I have them connected. That's good. Okay. I just killed them, even though you can't kill them in the game unless you ground pound on them. Let me try that again. Here's how you get them in the game. That's a ground pound. Okay, let's put him right here by Gamma until we're done with him. So, look at that stand. You need a stand for this guy. What? Okay, let's go. The Lego Luigi came out August 1st, 2021. That's when Lego Luigi came out. And I got him. I have a lot of viewers. How many viewers do we have again? How many viewers do we have again, Dad? How many viewers do we have? Three. What? What? 300. 300. 300 viewers. That's too many. Oh! Thank God we got. I feel like I've not been building this right. But yeah, these are extra pieces. Oh. This wasn't an extra piece. Come on. Here's the funny part. There's supposed to be, thank you so much for playing my game. That was the funny one. Damn. This is a... Done. Did I build that quick? Now all we have to do is construct it somehow. Here's my ant trooper. This is easy. Take your ant trooper, put it on, and then boom, you're done. So after you're done with building ant trooper, here's what it looks like. This is out of the camera. The camera's on in a good direction today. Still not. There it is. Would you look at that? I did. Are you blinded? Boom. After we get this ant trooper, we're gonna kill all these guys and then take it back. Alright, now let's kill him! Kill him! Now really well designed Bowser. Watch the Junior, you can do this with it. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye, subscribe.
Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe us? Why don't you like and subscribe? Like and subscribe!
Thank you.
It's the official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour. Official Super Mario Hour.